welcome to my YouTube channel, Jarek80. Today I'm visiting Wildwood in Central Florida. There's a truck show. It's nighttime. You'll have a chance to see all those trucks illuminated. It's very beautiful. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
Let's Maybe this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Maybe you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when the spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you watch it bleed.